Welcome to the Biomechanical Blueprint, a video about engineering spine health in a sedentary world. We will deconstruct the physics of sitting, lifting, and mechanical interventions to ensure better spinal well-being. The human spine is a living structure under cyclic loading. Standing is baseline, but seated posture generates 20 to 40% higher intradiscal loads. Continuous microtraumas from poor posture are the primary driver of spinal tissue failure, not single heavy loads. Spinal discs breathe entirely through pressure changes via the imbibition cycle. Loading causes fluid expulsion, and unloading allows absorption. Static sitting interrupts this flow, leading to disc dehydration. Standing for 2 to 3 minutes every 50 minutes can restart the cycle. Proprioceptive decay is the spine's loss of positional awareness due to muscle fatigue. This leads to lumbar repositioning error, or LRPE. For those with chronic low back pain, continuous sitting can quickly lead to an LRPE spike and a destructive postural collapse. Prolonged sitting shortens and compresses the psoas major muscle, leading to chronic tension. This tight psoas pulls the pelvis into anterior pelvic tilt. This mechanical shift results in severe spinal instability due to shearing and compression forces on the lumbar vertebrae. Challenging conventional wisdom, the perfectly neutral spine does not exist during lifting. New models show that even when trying to keep a straight back, the squat lift forces 25.1 degrees of lumbar lordosis range of motion. This table compares the biomechanical dimensions of stoop, squat, and freestyle lifts for a standardized 15 kilograms load. The stoop lift generally shows significantly lower compressive loads and lower shear loads at the L5/S1 anomaly, compared to the squat and freestyle lifts. We must consider the shear versus compression trade-off. The squat profile maximizes compression. The stoop profile maximizes upper lumbar shear. Intelligent load management requires adapting technique based on the individual's spinal tolerance, age, and the shear weight of the load. The execution speed of a lift is a crucial temporal factor. Slower execution times correlate with lower loads, which is essential for the fatigue failure theorem. Dynamic factors, like movement speed, can impact spinal tissue failure more than the specific lifting posture used. System calibration involves the 6-point ergonomic blueprint for optimal seated posture. Key points include setting elbows at a 90-degree angle, ensuring proper thigh and calf clearance, supporting the lower back, and positioning the monitor for natural eye gaze, and using armrests to offload shoulder weight. Internal engineering focuses on deep stabilizer conditioning to reduce internal load. Exercises like the bird dog, dead bug, and Pallof press help build structural integrity and resistance to destructive forces during prolonged seated and asymmetric tasks. The diagnostic triage matrix helps distinguish between early strain signals and mechanical red flags for different spinal regions. Recognizing these signals is key to proactive spinal health management. Red flags like radiating pain or sudden weakness require immediate attention. To beat the sitting penalty, you need to follow the plan shown in our chart using 2 simple steps. Keep things moving. Get up and move around every 30 to 45 minutes. This pumps healthy fluid back into your joints and keeps your body aware of its posture. Fix your desk and support muscles. Adjust your desk using our basic layout guide to take the pressure off your neck and back. Then, build inner strength with simple core exercises. Your spine rewards constant movement, not sitting perfectly still. Protect your body's foundation, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.